Good evening, friends. I hope you all are doing well in your life. The topic for today's discussion is going to be DCEP. So, first of all, you should know what is the full form of this DCEP. That stands for Digital Currency Electronic Payment. Now, from the name, you can easily make an imagination that I'm going to talk about digital currency and how it is going to take place. Means in this 21st century, we are heading towards electronic media, electronic currencies. So, here I'm going to talk about DCEP, which is being used by China. So let's, without taking much of your time, let's start the discussion. Actually, this DCEP, as I told you, that this is a digital currency. You know that this currency, what is the main working of currency is actually, it is actually a medium of exchange. We buy things, we pay for that, and through which we also use currencies, means payment method. It is a kind of electronic payment method. Now you should also know that how this payment method is actually made. In this 21st century, we use the technique of blockchain. Through this blockchain, we can make this digital currency. You will be surprised to know that there are 6,000 digital currency all over the world. So you can imagine how this is taking a part of our life, this digital currency. One more digital currency I would like to tell you, you must have heard in the newspaper, in the television too, that is Bitcoin. And you should know that this is legalized by Supreme Government, that Bitcoin is legal in India. And if I talk about digital currency, actually it is decentralized. Decentralized means it is not governed by any government. It is not it is not governed by any government or any RBI or any through bank. So everything has pros and cons. So likewise, same has with this also. Digital currency has also pros and cons too. Uh, People use this digital currency for their converting their black money into white money for their personal benefits. So one more currency I would like to tell you, that is launched by Facebook, and it is termed as Libra. You are very much well aware of the fact that there are total 2.7 billion users of Facebook, and if this Libra digital currency, if it is launched all over the world and it is being accepted by all over the world, then it will be definitely be a risk for all of us, because the financial flow, it will definitely affect the financial flow of digital currency. One more example I would like to give, that what are the disadvantage of this digital currency. I'm talking about Bitcoin. It was launched in 2013, and it was found that $233 was directly dropped down to $67. Means over a night there was 71% of fall was seen in this. And same with in 2013 2000 sorry 2017, $1,000 was converted directly to $3,000. So you can easily depict that how much unstable is this digital currency. You cannot totally rely upon this digital currency. So as I was talking about digital currency, this DCEP, and this DCEP is actually uh, is launched by China, and it is actually taken care by Central Bank of China. So as you are very much well aware of the fact that in China this yuan is being used, means this is the currency of China, and to become and actually their plan is to make this digital currency all over the world, so that every second person use this digital currency, through which it will definitely help China to become a global leader. So actually this was all about the digital currency and electronic payments. I hope you like my video, and I'm sorry for the interruption, that in between I was unable to make the videos due to my internal university exam was going on. So this was all about today's discussion. So thank you and have a nice day ahead. Take care.